chibai levek ule ni thar dom taka hian ka channel a kalo lom levek ka cheu me inriat ni nga ni ania LADC CEM atan tukin jingkhan pu David Larin oma additional DC Lawngtlai chuan LADC hola rin omna thu tiam tirin alaluta ani CM thar hian office luangalin office tepo an kaitan hal to tuwa ngai ila LADC po mumal taka kalturin ngai chhozel la athome tin heti mekla hian voin vek hianin Lawngtlai DC chuan UPSC ina combine UDC exam abosei chungchanga boina om thei thil laka venatan new veng puile Lawngtlai council venga mi panga ayatam omkhom pungkhawm khap nadan khopek ati chhuah ngal bok ani video te Phal taka chhuah chhawn min phal saktu I&PR LADC chungah lom thu ka soi ngal boke
Norway 43016/1/2020 just DCMMA within bracket L Government of Mizoram District Council and Minority Affairs Department notification dated ISOL the 2nd May 2025 in exercise of the power conferred by sub-rule 4 of Rule 21 of the Autonomous District Council Constitution, Conduct of Business, etc. Rules 2010. The Governor of Mizoram is pleased to appoint Zangura, unelected MDC from 21 Mipui MDC constituency and unelected leader of the United Democratic Alliance Legislature Party of the LADC as Chief Executive Member of LADC Autonomous District Council with effect from 10/04/2025. That is the date of approval of the Governor of Mizoram. Further, as per sub-rule 5 of Rule 21 of the LADC Constitution, Conducts and of Business, etc. Rules 2010, the Honorable Governor directed Sri N. Zangura, Chief Executive Member, to secure a vote of confidence within 10 days of his appointment as the Chief Executive Members by order, etc. Signed, Zoding Kui, Secretary to the Government of Mizoram District Council and Minority Affairs Department. With your permission, sir, oath of office may now be administered to the Chief Executive Member. With your permission, sir, I request Zangura, Chief Executive Member designate, to subscribe the oath of office.
N. Zangura, having been appointed as the Chief Executive Member of the Autonomous District Council, Lawngtlai, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India, as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duty as the Chief Executive Members of the LADC Autonomous District Council, and that I will do right to all manners of people in accordance with the Constitution and the law without fear or favor, affection or ill will.
With your permission, sir, the proceeding may now be concluded. Thank you.
Swearing in, kun thatak mai กันห้องเตะขาบอกองก็ไปจับตัวเส้นทางที่ชวนให้ทุกขินาพอคุยตัวดูตับเตะประเทศนี่ยิงเตะนั่งหัดนี่วางอินสุรการอีกเพียงเทอันนี้ตีกันเชียงจะวางชวนดูสุรการอีกที่ป่วยตู้นี่ละว่าเงี้ยตะกาชัดตะกาคุยตู้นี่ตู้มันเท่าตู้เรียนก็สอบมันก็จะเจ้าอันนี้ท่านมาท่านมั่งเทียจะวางชวน
Sosial mai pun kakane lima se acuan ini tu terima kesumahian sual dai lebin lalpan akhir ti sumahian wali abangin heram berarti tak kon lam tina asnung cumbu te minti sang le sosial ti rengin mincir te a min dema kani na chen po tam takom Nima sevoi mia erore na fel tak noya pasal sa heti zong hi eram rore na khol ithu te wanga he ram le nam maso na turata na ke pen suak min pe ka wangani mingkan fukalom thu kan khela se voina hian mi rang che rang ngai to na rang ngai te pon liang